Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke at Power Girl Fitness and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my chicken pickle salad served on low-carb toast. We're also going to be making a homemade ranch dressing for this recipe. Now this is the perfect weekday lunch. It makes amazing meal prep. As always, this is high in protein, low in carbohydrates, and absolutely delicious. So let's get into it. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna prepare our homemade ranch dressing. So what you're gonna need is some unsweetened Greek yogurt, sour cream, cultured buttermilk, and organic garlic aioli, as well as 2 packets of ranch seasoning. So go ahead and grab those and let's get mixing. Start by adding half a cup of buttermilk, followed by half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt, and then half a cup of organic mayo. Last ingredient is going to be adding in our ranch packet seasoning. And I'm just gonna whisk that together. Alright, there we go. We have our homemade ranch dressing done. I'm just going to cover this and pop this in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to allow it to thicken a bit more. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. So we of course have our homemade ranch dressing, which we've just prepared. I have a large batch here as I'm going to pop this in the fridge and utilize it for a few different recipes this week. Then we have 4 chicken breasts. We're going to be hard boiling 6 eggs. We're going to use 3 to 4 stalks of spring onion, 6 celery sticks, a handful of either fresh dill or fresh fennel, whichever you can get your hands on. And then I'm going to be dicing up 1 cup of little baby pickles. For today's chicken pickle salad, you can either wrap it in a lettuce wrap if you want something a bit more fresh, or you can use your favorite low-carb bread. I'm going to be using this keto bread today, but it's completely up to you. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Start by spraying a bit of avocado oil in my loaf tin. Go ahead and crack in our eggs. A pinch of salt and some pepper. Wonderful. Now you just want to fill up your oven tray with enough water that it's in line with our eggs. Pop my eggs in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Bringing your pan to medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Once your pan is nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken. Add a pinch of salt, and some pepper, and to flip our chicken. And I'm going to cover with a lid to allow those to steam through a bit. Our chicken has a beautiful golden coating. We're now going to remove this from the heat. We're going to leave our chicken to rest for about 5 minutes to make sure that we contain all those gorgeous juices. Taken my eggs out of the oven. They are fully cooked through. I'm going to let them rest for about 5 minutes before chopping them up. But make sure you don't turn off your oven just yet because we're going to go ahead and toast our low-carb bread. I'm going to thinly slice my chicken. Gonna pop this back on our plate, which has some of our juices on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the eggs. Using a butter knife, I'm just loosening up the eggs from the tin and just chop like crazy. I'm just going to drizzle on a little bit of olive oil, just get that fully coated. It's time to mix together all of our ingredients. Start by adding in our chicken, our eggs, pickles, our celery, fresh dill or fennel, spring onions, and then we're using 1 cup of our ranch dressing. Mix that all together. Just removed our low-carb toast from the oven. Let's is nice and crispy, so now we can add our salad on top. Nice big helping right on top there. Our chicken pickle salad is ready to enjoy. That's it for today's recipe. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.